of that reportedly found in an illegal Chinese biolab in California. Fox's Bill Malugin is here with all the disturbing details. Bill, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Laura, wild story here. The FBI and the CDC are both getting blasted with criticism that they dropped the ball. This is after an illegal Chinese biolab was found right here in California, full of deadly diseases and pathogens. And elected officials are now wondering how this lab was able to exist and how many others like it there might be here in the United States. So this lab was found near Fresno, California. And when a CDC-ordered waste eradication took place at the site last week, local officials and contractors found pathogens labeled HIV and Ebola. Officials had previously found other diseases at the lab like COVID-19, tuberculosis, malaria. They also found thousands of lab mice. The person behind the lab was Jia Beizhu, a 62-year-old Chinese citizen and a wanted fugitive from Canada. Last week, House investigators alleged he has ties to the Chinese Communist Party and had stolen millions of dollars of intellectual property. Some U.S. politicians are now wondering how this guy, this Chinese national, was able to get access to these deadly pathogens and set up shop in an illicit lab here in California.
How was he able to get away with running a lab, getting millions of dollars sent to him from the Chinese Communist Party, and then obviously coming into our country, stealing American intellectual property?
But when the CDC showed up, they should have done what was right then, and they did not. They did not test the pathogens. They did not even find all of them. They left a freezer with Ebola in it, and we know how lethal that is.
And Laura, the CDC did release a statement responding to these allegations that they dropped the ball here. They say they dispute any of those criticisms, and they also deny any claims that they didn't respond to local requests for help regarding that secret lab. But regardless, a bizarre and a pretty